Unlock the sky's wonders with our selection of the top 7 best drones for kids. Designed for safety, ease of use, and fun, these drones offer young aviators an exhilarating journey into aerial exploration. Explore our roundup to find the perfect blend of excitement and educational value for budding pilots. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 7. DJI T Mini Drone. Experience the thrill of flight with the DJI T Mini Drone, a compact marvel packed with advanced features. Weighing just 80 grams, it effortlessly soars through the skies with remarkable agility. Equipped with a high-quality camera, it captures stunning 720p HD videos and 5-megapixel photos, ensuring every aerial moment is preserved in crisp detail. Perfect for beginners and seasoned pilots alike, the T Mini Drone boasts intuitive controls and smart flight modes. Take advantage of easy shots to effortlessly capture cinematic aerial footage with just a tap. Perform impressive aerial stunts with ease, thanks to its precise maneuverability and responsive controls. Seamlessly connect the Tello to your smartphone via Wi-Fi for real-time video transmission and intuitive control through the Tello app. Explore endless possibilities with programmable features using Scratch, enabling users to unleash their creativity and develop coding skills. Compact yet powerful, the DJI T Mini Drone redefines the boundaries of aerial exploration. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or mastering aerial acrobatics, this drone is your gateway to boundless adventures in the sky. Number 6. SIMR 500 Mini Drone. Elevate your aerial adventures with this SIMR 500 Mini Drone, a compact marvel designed for both beginners and seasoned pilots. Equipped with advanced features and intuitive controls, this drone delivers an exhilarating flying experience. Its sleek design houses powerful motors, enabling agile maneuvers and stable flights. Experience seamless control with the X500's responsive remote, featuring intuitive joysticks and customizable settings. Take advantage of its altitude hold function for steady hovering and capture breathtaking aerial footage with ease. The onboard HD camera allows you to record stunning videos and snap crystal-clear photos from above. Safety is paramount with the X500, thanks to its built-in features like one-key return and emergency stop, ensuring peace of mind during every flight. With multiple speed modes and 360-degree flips, this drone offers endless possibilities for creative aerial stunts. Whether you're exploring the skies or honing your piloting skills, this SIMR X500 Mini Drone promises an unforgettable flight experience. Compact yet powerful, it's the perfect companion for outdoor adventures, aerial photography, or simply enjoying the thrill of flight. Embark on your next drone adventure and unleash the possibilities with this SIMR X500. Number 5. DJI Mini RC Drone for Kids. Elevate playtime to new heights with the DJI Mini RC Drone, designed specifically for adventurous kids. Engineered for ease of use and durability, this compact drone offers an exhilarating flying experience while ensuring safety and stability. Equipped with intuitive controls and altitude hold function, young pilots can effortlessly maneuver the drone with precision and confidence. Featuring a sleek and colorful design, the DJI Mini RC Drone captures the imagination with its vibrant appearance. Its lightweight yet resilient construction withstands inevitable bumps and crashes, ensuring long-lasting enjoyment for aspiring aviators. With one-button takeoff and landing, as well as headless mode, beginners can quickly grasp the basics of flight without complications. Safety is paramount, and the DJI Mini RC Drone incorporates protective features such as propeller guards and emergency stop functionality to prevent accidents. Furthermore, its low battery alarm and out-of-range alarm provide additional reassurance during flights. Whether indoors or outdoors, this versatile drone offers endless entertainment possibilities for children, encouraging creativity. motor skills, and spatial awareness in a thrilling aerial package. Number 4. DJI Mini 2. Experience the world from a new perspective with the DJI Mini 2, a compact and powerful drone designed to elevate your aerial photography and videography. Weighing just 249 grams, the Mini 2 is exceptionally portable, making it effortless to take on your adventures. Its 12-megapixel camera captures stunning 4K video at 30 frames per second and crisp 12-megapixel photos, ensuring every moment is captured with breathtaking clarity and detail. Equipped with OcuSync 2.0 transmission technology, the Mini 2 delivers a reliable and stable connection with your smartphone or remote controller, allowing you to explore up to 10 kilometers away while maintaining a live HD video feed. Intelligent modes such as quick shots and panorama effortlessly enhance your creativity, enabling you to capture cinematic shots with ease. With a maximum flight time of up to 31 minutes and intelligent battery management features, the Mini 2 ensures you can focus on capturing stunning footage without worrying about running out of power. Whether you're a seasoned aerial photographer or a novice enthusiast, the DJI Mini 2 empowers you to unleash your creativity and capture the world from a whole new perspective. Number 3. DJI Spark. Experience the DJI Spark, a compact yet powerful drone designed to ignite your creativity in aerial photography and videography. With its palm-sized frame, the Spark is incredibly portable, making it perfect for spontaneous adventures and travel. Equipped with a high-quality camera stabilized by a 2-axis gimbal, it captures stunning 12-megapixel photos and smooth 1080p videos with remarkable clarity and detail. Intelligent flight modes, including active track and gesture control, empower you to capture cinematic shots effortlessly. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, the Spark's intuitive controls and obstacle avoidance technology ensure a safe and enjoyable flying experience. Expand your creative horizons with quick-shot modes, which automatically generate professional-looking aerial footage with just a few taps. Seamlessly share your masterpieces on social media using the DJI Geo 4 app, which also provides real-time flight data and editing tools. With up to 16 minutes of flight time on a single charge and a range of up to 1.2 miles, the DJI Spark is ready to accompany you on all your aerial adventures. Let your imagination take flight with this versatile and compact drone. Number 2. DJI Mavic Mini. Experience the thrill of flight with the DJI Mavic Mini, a compact yet powerful drone designed for adventurers and aerial enthusiasts alike. Weighing just 249 grams, it effortlessly soars through the skies, capturing stunning 12-megapixel aerial photos and smooth 2.7K Quad HD videos with its 3-axis motorized gimbal. Equipped with GPS, downward vision sensors, and precise hovering capabilities, it ensures stable flight even in windy conditions. Intuitive controls and intelligent flight modes, including quick shots and circle, empower users to unleash their creativity and capture cinematic shots effortlessly. With a maximum flight time of up to 30 minutes, the Mavic Mini allows for extended exploration and recording sessions. Compact and foldable, it easily fits into backpacks or pockets, making it the perfect travel companion for spontaneous adventures. Whether you're documenting scenic landscapes, filming action-packed sequences, or simply exploring the world from a new perspective, the DJI Mavic Mini delivers unparalleled performance and versatility, unlocking endless possibilities for aerial photography and videography enthusiasts. Elevate your storytelling with the DJI Mavic Mini and capture breathtaking moments from above. Number 1. Parrot Mambo. Unleash the sky's potential with the Parrot Mambo Mini Drone, your gateway to thrilling aerial adventures. Compact yet powerful, this quadcopter is packed with features to delight both novice pilots and seasoned enthusiasts alike. Equipped with intuitive controls and stability sensors, the Mambo offers effortless maneuverability and precise flight control. With its modular design, the Mambo adapts to your every whim, transforming from a nimble flyer into a versatile tool for exploration. Attach the included grabber or cannon accessory and engage in thrilling aerial missions, from capturing breathtaking aerial photos to launching foam projectiles with pinpoint accuracy. Experience the joy of flight like never before with the Parrot Mambo's advanced features, including automatic takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and one-touch flips and rolls. Compatible with Parrot's free Flight Mini app, you can unlock a world of possibilities, from customizing flight parameters to programming autonomous flight paths. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best drones for kids. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.